Cutting your home electricity bill down to zero with solar panels is way easier than you might think once you get the hang of net metering and how solar power flows. Okay, here's the deal. First, get a solar system that matches your home's energy needs. Like, don't go too small or way too big. Then, make sure your setup is hooked up for net metering, so when your panels crank out extra juice during the day, you're not wasting it. That extra energy goes back to the grid and gives you credits. Those credits help cover your energy use when the sun's not shining, like at night or on cloudy days. It's smart to check your local utilities policies on net metering because they can vary and affect how much you save. Keep your panels clean and free from shade, since dirt and shadows can seriously cut down how much power you get. Also, track your energy use with apps or monitors so you know when to cut back if needed. Don't forget, batteries can be a backup, but they can be pricey, so weigh if they make sense for your setup. Finally, get a pro to install your system to avoid headaches and make sure everything's safe and up to code. One of the biggest mistakes with solar panels is picking a system that doesn't match your actual electricity use, so you might not save as much as you expect. Fix this by doing a detailed energy audit first. Another common issue is ignoring local utility rules around net metering, which can lead to lower credits or unexpected fees. Always check those policies before buying. The third problem is poor maintenance. Dirty or blocked panels drop your power output big time, so set up a regular cleaning schedule and trim any trees shading your panels. These things can really mess up your goal of eliminating your electricity bill if you're not careful. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making your solar project way less stressful. Plus, it helps contractors find homeowners who need their services, so it's a win-win for everyone looking to make their homes more energy efficient.